The 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor is here, and it's more powerful, more capable, and more aggressive than ever. Ford has taken its legendary off-road SUV and pushed it to the extreme, making it a true beast on and off the road. With an upgraded design, a high-performance engine, and a rugged yet modern interior, this SUV is built for adventure. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Bronco Raptor carries the same bold stance as its predecessor but with some fresh updates. The massive front grille still sports the bold, Ford lettering, but now features a more aggressive honeycomb pattern for better airflow. The LED headlights have been slightly redesigned, giving them a sharper and more modern look. The front bumper has been reinforced for added durability, with integrated tow hooks and an improved skid plate for maximum off-road protection. Moving to the side, the Bronco Raptor rides on massive 37-inch all-terrain tires, which are now available with an upgraded tread pattern for even better grip. The wider fender flares give the SUV an even more muscular appearance, emphasizing its off-road capabilities. The side mirrors are now power folding with integrated turn signals, adding a bit more convenience to the rugged design. Around the back, the LED taillights have been updated with a sleeker design, and the full-size spare tire still dominates the rear hatch. The high-mounted exhaust tips provide better clearance for off-road adventures while giving the SUV a powerful stance. Under the hood, Ford has once again delivered an impressive powertrain. The 2025 Bronco Raptor is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, producing around 418 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque. The engine has been fine-tuned for better throttle response, making it even more aggressive on trails and highways. The 10-speed automatic transmission has been optimized for smoother gear shifts, ensuring seamless power delivery. The advanced 4x4 system now features an upgraded terrain management system with 7 driving modes, including Baja mode for high-speed desert runs and rock crawl mode for extreme off-roading. The suspension has been enhanced with new Fox Live valve shocks, providing better damping and improved stability at high speeds. The approach and departure angles have been slightly improved, allowing the Bronco Raptor to tackle even more challenging obstacles. With improved ground clearance and a reinforced chassis, this SUV is ready for anything you throw at it. Stepping inside, the 2025 Bronco Raptor retains its rugged yet high-tech interior. The dashboard features a 12-inch digital instrument cluster with customizable displays, providing real-time vehicle data. The center console houses a 12-inch Sync 4 infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with an upgraded sound system for an immersive audio experience. The seats are wrapped in durable marine-grade vinyl with optional leather trim, designed to withstand harsh conditions while providing maximum comfort. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather with paddle shifters and Raptor-specific badging. Additional features include a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, and Ford's latest Copilot 360 safety suite. The 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor is the ultimate off-road machine. With its aggressive design, high-performance engine, and advanced technology, it remains one of the most capable and exciting SUVs on the market.